Roofing crews usually don't bother detaching and resetting gutters, even though it's a smart move for a better job and upselling. So, here's the deal. When your roof needs fixing or replacing, gutters are often ignored or just slapped back on without care. But if you get your gutters detached and reset properly, it stops leaks and water damage from sneaky spots. Ask your roofer if they include gutter work in their quote. If not, you might want to call a separate gutter guy. Upgrading gutters while doing roofing can also save you money in the long run because fixing water drainage issues early means fewer headaches later. Plus, bigger gutters can handle more rain, which is great for homes in heavy rain areas. If you plan on insurance claims, make sure you get everything documented: roof, gutters, and extras. Don't just settle for the cheapest roofing job. Ask about all the extras that protect your home. It's all about being smart with your cash and protecting your biggest investment. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring gutter maintenance during a roof job, which leads to leaks and water damage. Fix this by insisting on gutter inspection and reset before roofing starts. Another common screw-up is getting stuck with cheap roofing jobs that don't include gutters or accessories. The fix is choosing contractors who offer full packages with transparent pricing. Lastly, many homeowners don't realize they can upgrade gutters to better models during roofing work, which means missing out on long-term benefits. Just ask your contractor about upsell options for gutters so you get more value instead of settling for basic stuff. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually care about quality, not just quick jobs. For contractors, it's an easy way to get steady work by connecting with people who want the best for their homes without the hassle.